greetings to the gentlemen and ladies sitting over there and watching this video. This is Deepika happily welcoming you all to Pritya Classroom. Today we are about to discuss on no, we are not about to discuss as I am going to explore with you together today. Yes, Urban Pro is a website which allows us to sign up as a tutor and take classes to the students. Okay, I'm going to explore the application process and I'm going to check on the details and verify whether it suits me or not. I'm going to do this together with you. Are you all ready? Good. Let's check the application process. They are asking for basic informations like name, mail, phone number, everything. Then they are asking the main category which I want to teach. Let me select. Okay, I have selected what are all the categories that I wish to take classes. Then pin code. Create profile. Even you can use sign up with FBID option. Okay, I have got an error like I should not select more than one category. So I am here selecting only one category. Let me select mathematics for class 1 to 5 tuition. Create profile. Okay. Now I want to verify my mobile number. So they are going to send me some OTP. Okay, I have got the OTP. I'm entering the OTP. On clicking verify, I'm taken to a page like this. Okay, here I want to select the languages which I will speak, and also we have to click on the level at which we will speak, whether it is our mother tongue or you know the basic or you know the proficient level, everything. Okay, after selecting the language, we should fill up the most recent degree which we have completed. The most recent degree I have completed is BE, and we should also write down the university or school in which we have completed. Then completed or pursuing, if completed we have to select the year of completion also. How would you like to conduct your classes, online or at your home or at students home? Select accordingly. I'm selecting here online. Then I have to select on the school boards of class 1 to 5 I wish to teach. Okay, I am selecting all because I'm comfortable with all the boards. Okay, about experience they have asked. Okay, they have asked here which of the following state syllabus subjects do you provide tuition for? Okay, I'm selecting. Next, they have asked for CBSE subjects. Next, ICSE subjects. Okay, as I have selected all the boards, they are asking me separately for what boards, whichever subject I am comfortable, I am checking. Okay. Okay, two more boards. I'm extremely new to this application process. I'm doing this along with you. Okay. Let us check together whether this website will suit us or not. Okay. Here they are asking for my total experience. I don't have any experience. So 0. Save. I am taken to a page like this. I have to add profile picture. Second step, background and experience. My teaching experience and about my academic background I have to fill. Here they have provided me some example also. Okay. By seeing the example, we will get some idea, right? Okay, here I have successfully filled up my background, educational background and teaching experience. Clicking on continue, I am taken to a page like this. Here I am given with an option like I can choose 9 more categories, because maximum 10 categories we could choose. Already I have chosen 1 to 5 tuition, so I could choose the remaining categories whichever I am comfortable with. Okay, I am selecting. After selecting, I am giving continue. Now I am taken to a page like this. As I have earlier given, I am comfortable with BTech tuitions. They are asking me separately which branches I am comfortable with in tutoring. Okay, so I am going to read on the options carefully, and I am selecting here two options. One is BTech first year engineering and electrical and communication engineering, as my branches not shown in the option here. Okay, if yours is there, please do select. Next, one to one or private or group classes, I am comfortable with both. I am going to teach online, no experience, regular classes. Okay, after selecting everything, again they'll ask with, they have asked a question like what are all subjects I'm comfortable with in a particular board, right? Okay, similarly they are asking me here in particular stream or in particular branch what are all the subjects I could teach or I could tutor. Okay, now I'm going to read on all the topics carefully, and I'm selecting my appropriate titles. After which I'm asking how many years of experience I have. I don't have any experience in working college, so I have given no. Okay, now they are again asking me the mode of taking class, online or offline. Here also I am going to provide only online. That is for school students, this is for BTech students. Okay, be clear. It is little a long process. I feel this application is little longer, but then fill it up carefully. As I have provided for class 10, they are asking me specifically whether we are comfortable with state board or ICSE or whatever. So I am selecting again the same process. Okay, let me play the video faster for you. Okay, experience 0. Next. Now they are asking me to continue with an app, Urban Pro app, and they are claiming that they'll provide me 100 Urban Pro score points also. I don't have a clue like what is Urban Pro points while doing this. Okay, let's check it. Now I am taken to a Play Store, Google Play Store, clicking on install. It is installing Urban Pro for tutors. Okay, open. For tutors, connect with new students, respond to inquiries, get hired, and grow your earnings. Let's log in with the registered mobile number or email ID. I have given the information. It is logging in. Okay, Urban Pro for Tutors app will look like this. Okay, it is saying inquiries and students tab. I have got 5 inquiries. Here I could see the details. You can note that the mobile number is hidden here. Only when I give upgrade I could respond to this inquiry, and I need, you could notice, 70 coins are required in order to respond to this inquiry. When I give upgrade, I am taken to page like this. Here they are asking me to renew with premium membership, and the premium membership comes in three forms: silver, gold and platinum. For everything I have to pay. Okay, when I give this is the payment page. You could use online page using Paytm or credit card or debit card, anything. Okay, I'm not going to pay now. Okay, only when we update we can respond to the inquiries. When I click on students, here there is no students because I have no students right now, right? Okay. Now I have to decide whether I have to upgrade to a premium plan and take tuitions or I have to quit here. According to me, it is not appropriate for me, so I am going to quit. Anyways, I am going to show you the rates so that you can decide on your choice. This is the gold plan, 6 months 1400, 12 months 2800. Okay, this is for silver, 1400, 2800. Okay. Here also they have given an options like three options you can read on. Pause the video and read if you want. Okay. This is the platinum. As you can see, comparing to silver, platinum has more coins. At the same time, you have to pay more. Okay, I'm going to dashboard and I'm going to give I don't need the premium membership and I want to quit. Here they are popping up some options. I'm going to select my option. I'm going to select like I find premium membership too expensive because for an inquiry I have to pay 70 coins. I'm getting around 130 rupees, so I'm gaining 60 rupees for 1 hour. This is very low to me, so decide on whether you have to continue or not. And remember one thing, if you have some teaching experience you have a chance to get more paid. You may get a fees of around rupees 500 or even more than that for 1 hour. So you have to decide on whether Urban Pro is suitable for you or not. Okay. That's all for the today's video. If you like this video, please comment below. And one more thing, if you have any websites to be explored like this, tutoring websites to be explored like this, please comment below. We shall have some exploring videos like this. Okay, and if you find this video is very useful, please share to the one in need of it and subscribe to Pritya Classroom. Thank you.